morning, my honorable people, my listeners, my Oga, Madam them. I salute to them. This one on AK and JTV. This morning we get better bugging news where we won't bring before now. People discuss them, I will still live for nothing, we know say still be. This one we say, my dad, my chairman, my boss, Zubi Meke. I see him for news, they say, facts about the death of Zulu Meke, I shock. I know they happy. I come big they cry, I say, I want to kill this man. Now when I got the read for the answer, I say, oh, na drama na ain't art. And I be the detective of the drama na Zubi Meke's death. Then they hit him like that, I say, oh, I think say my boss don't die. If I for cry. Fact about the death of Zubi Meke. Zubi Meke never die, yo. Zubi Meke, they are alive. Very, very strong. Another one we say, Nigeria recorded 3,600 rape cases during lockdown. This thing means say, when we dey lock ourselves for inside house, we could not carry coronavirus. So people go dey inside house, they could bench who they not make agreement with to bench. The one when you pay me pass, be say, they could go to the bench, they put their big one for small zero. You know they think? You go carry your big one, that your big one will be like, what they take the pump at the dam. You go carry and go put that for say small zero. How you take this now say want to enter? That you get, it makes sense. That one, you pay me well. You pay me. I beg. Another ogbonge news when it come, this one a good news. Make I rest my back to this one. Now be say, one Auchi man, when they born for Auchi, 33 years old man, when they for America, that side. If you follow this side, go to America. See, he done with the world champion best wrestler for America on Saturday here. I'm consulting for Belesti Nigerian man because that man, they introduce her as Nigerian American wrestler. Meaning Nigeria they inside. Now our own picking. Another one be say when shock me. This one be say everybody want get money, everybody want buy Benz, everybody want buy car, everybody want builders. Even when you not go work when they do. One young boy for Oyo State, Ibadan, precisely, run that street, come big demand. And as the demand, then they shout, I want buy Benz, my Benz, I want buy Benz. Now then when you say, this my guy, this very bro so, if you want buy Benz, now the money you go to find, now voila for they come. So when I say we see that one, don't be smart in my brother. So another bunking news when they be say, again one politician like that, when he named Christopher Oga, for one state like that, say he go the bench. Now the matter now we see the Tory benching matter. People too like to the bench. Also, why go the bench? Go the bench one small picking, 12 years and 13 years old children. They bench them, carry a big one. And this man, don't climb 40 years already. Come the bench small picking without a big one. But it's not good for a year. Another story when reach one man when the former, make I call that former because he know they there again. When they call Mango, one man when they give money, they do Mango, they settle. Right now, as they give her the money, then CCTV camera capture them. But the worst part of it be saying, the CCTV camera so, na China make, it no good. When they call replay am again now, make I show you how it can be. So you see the video. Now say it can't be. When they want to show him again, now say people go they bend. We not confirm the person. When they catch him like this, you say, oh Ghana, you they give the money. Then you say, that's why I be. That's why they bend. I not straight. You know me say this in a less so. So now say the money take go. We not see Mango. We not see who give money. We not see anybody again. This one will make me tired. I see the ticker today. I the ticker. This TV be true. You say, Ned okay. This is the Bobo of Regina Daniels. Say, when he married Regina Daniel, say Regina Daniel, now still virgin. Say, na this virgin. I come dey ask myself, which of the virgin na the one wey be say na you fit marry am come born for you, or na you open e zero, or na you be the first gbensha? The question na big question. Wetin I wan try know be say e mean say Regina Daniel never gbensh, e never dey do gbensh before. As e dey finish, dey do that work wey dey do. Wetin dey call am? Dey do acting, big actress. Say e never gbensh, meaning na just look and throway na im dey do since. Okay, we leave that one because na im property. Any tell us, we believe. Na so e be. My brother, the one wey constitution pass, our people no go keep people. Chai! This one be say na romance scam, they call am. Romance scam. They say 46 years old woman freed after year of hostage in Nigeria. Make I break am down. This one mean say e get one American woman when our ogbonge Nigeria guy man bring on this country sake of say na love. Say he wan marry am. As he carry am come, he put am for Lagos for one hotel. Na there he camp am. 1 year later, that woman no fit come outside. They say this young man don chop all the woman money finish, don eat the money, don withdraw the money, all the MasterCard, everything, all the retirement, what money, everything. This young man don claim everything. That one no surprise me. And this man, his name na Chukwu Ebuka Obiaku. He do this thing for Lagos. No wonder when you go reach America, you go say, I'm from Nigeria. You go know what the difference between I was there and I shall be there. And before we close up, wrap up today's program, for this AK and JTV news today, I want to leave you now with this ogbonge question. You be man, you go work for like 6 months, get it back home. As you want enter house, your wife and your mama run come outside, want embrace you. I say, why embrace you now? Next you don't they come, you want embrace them. This one open your hand like this, this one open your hand like this. Which one of them you go first embrace? Now your mama and be your wife. You go send your reply to this comment. Make I observe, make we do voting. Make we know how you go be, which one you first. Your mama na boy on this word. Your wife, and they give you, you know where they be. You deal with your wife, you dey okay. Now your mama not gonna be important for you. So send your feedback to the comment box. Make we see which one people they support. My people, we not do well. We not do well. Thank you so much for listening to this ogbonge news this morning. And tomorrow we will bring on another ogbonge news. When bath well, when they use pancake rub your face, let the follow your face, you can't wear suit. That news that will bring on come on tomorrow. Expect them. And not forget say AK and JTV, we love you so much. And only they wish you well. We dey pray. Thank you very much. Hope to see you tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much. This is AK and JTV. I thank you for your little effort you've been making just to ensure that you watch the movie, you watch our comedies, you watch our news, you watch the things about us, whether funny or not being funny, but you just try to watch just to encourage us. I say a big thank you to you and your family as well, in the name of Jesus. And I want to also plead for the continuous patronage. Watch our comedies, watch our movies, watch our news. If funny you not funny, you just watch them. As you dey watch them, you dey help my life. As you dey watch them, you dey promote me. That's so life be. How you want to follow me? As you dey watch them, click on that subscribe. If you click and you will wait, there could be one notification box. Then you will click the notification box. As you click on, you miss a many times I post, you will see them. They watch them. Thank you so much. And to subscribe, now free. Don't be money. Just click on like this. As you click on, don't you say you don't subscribe. Now the normal subscription when you subscribe for your phone, Nanity de Douan. Thank you so much. I love you. Jesus love you more. God bless you.